Here we have a 21 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Pro package. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also gloss black front splitter. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as you walk around to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. Now we also have the twin axle air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to its lowest setting. Colour coded door handles and door mirrors. Got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Panoramic glass sunroof up top that's currently open. We do also have the rear spoiler and shark fin antennae. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera and the rear diffuser at the back with the dual exit exhaust. We also have the split tailgate, which is power operated. And then coming back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior now. Inside of here you find the full black leather interior. We do have the 7 seats in here. We've got the 2 extra in the boot you would have seen on the photos. M Sport style seat belts. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. There's a look at the roof from the inside. We do also have the star lights. We've got the LED lights inside of the glass. Electric windows on the doors and also ambient lighting. Taking a look at the front, we've got the same leather interior with both front seats being heated, also electrically adjustable with the memory function on the driver's side, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up for us. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable with that stalk down there. Cruise control, speed limiter. We have the high beam assist on that stalk there. Paddle shifters as well either side. And you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main screen in the centre. If that's flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Many features on here you would have seen on the photos. So we got the sat nav. We also have the media options with the radio stations, Spotify and Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Then we also have all these apps that are currently installed, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down we have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning and the heated seats as well either side, all working as it should do. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, which if you press these buttons it will appear on the screen as you flick between them. And putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera with the parking sensors on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. You then have the air suspension, hill descent control and also the electric handbrake. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, you don't have to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable with the stalk down here. We have the paddle shifters on either side as well. If you want to step the car into manual mode, you can do so by simply tapping on the paddles. We do also have the cruise control speed limiter buttons here on the left, digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. Now if you do this carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do also have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the panoramic glass roof up top, which is really nice for these summer days to see them blue skies, along with the Sky Lounge, which lights up at night time, and the ambient lighting really makes the interior a nice place to be. Of course, we've got the main screen in the centre, packed full of features. It's currently showing the sat nav, the intelligent safety system as well, It's just a really nice feature to have, making the car a very safe vehicle to drive. Now we've got our right indicator on, we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse camera appears on my screen, put the car back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, ready to answer all and answer questions, along with running for some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.